was pretty cool.
Yeah, that was.
I love that part. All right, so you want to take me to go see Neat, right?
Correct.
Now tell me why we're going to see Neat.
So Neat is doing something really cool with the Mago software. So
That's great.
unlike some of the other bars where you have to have a separate PC to operate Mago or use Mago, Neat actually has Neat Pulse.
Oh.
And they have the app available through their app hub. So customers that have Neat devices or are looking at Neat devices simply have to turn it on, enable
awesome.
it.
We'll save that for when we get there. You hit a great point, though. Yeah, you and I, we had a cup of coffee on the Collaboration Cafe. We talked about Mago. That was great. Man, it was hot down there.
Yeah, sure was.
But you're saying, so even since then, since you and I visited this summer, there's a lot of stuff going on, right?
Yeah, there's been a lot of evolution since we first met over in Florida.
Yeah?
With Neat and Mago and other solutions.
I'm going to have you tell all about it, okay? Come on.
All right, let's go.
After you, my friend. Yeah, so what you're telling me is this. There's a lot been going on just since this summer when I talked about Mago.
A whole lot.
Well, tell me what. Like what?
Yeah, so since we talked, or when we first started with Mago, they had these pieces of hardware that you had to kind of use in order to use Mago. But since then, we've evolved and we're completely software now.
Oh, really?
So we're not dependent on any one specific computer or device. So now we're just software.
So that's where some of these partnerships come into play that you're talking about, right?
Yeah.
Some of the best things here is you've got partners that are probably all over this floor here.
Oh, yeah.
Like, so who are some of the partners you guys have been working with?
So we're currently working with Neat, with Yealink, with Como, with ProDVX.
Really?
We're working with Shure in some regions of the world.
Really?
We're working with Jabra in some regions of the world.
Oh my God, this is like a hit list of all the right people to be talking about this.
Yeah.
And you're still going down this path. You had a really great 3-point phrase. You talked about how the product worked. Tell me that again.
So it's meet, present, collaborate.
I love that. That's fantastic.
So we still have that. And so now we're making it easier for customers to access Mago.
Really?
Yeah, they can use their existing hardware or like we're headed over to Neat.
Those guys are right over there.
Right over there. Yeah, to show you how easy it is to access Mago.
Oh, really?
Right from their devices.
This is fantastic.
Yeah.
All right, Danny. This is the new interface?
This is the new interface.
All right.
And so in the previous version, you had to actually physically connect to access the various meeting platforms.
Sure.
And so with this new version of Mago, you now have the ability to join all the multiple meeting platforms right from the device.
So this is solving that crazy problem that we've talked about before, right? Is it a Teams room? Is it a Zoom room?
Yeah.
Direct guest join that doesn't work, things like that?
Correct.
It doesn't matter what platform I need to get into?
It doesn't matter.
It's going to do that?
Yeah. So if you look at here, you're able to see all the various meeting platforms that you can join, and you have the option to either book the room or you can literally just start a meeting with one tap.
And this is the Mago UI.
Yeah.
This is Mago driving that experience.
Yeah.
That's
and so now, so now we're able to just simply join the meeting, and this is a Teams meeting.
There we are. That's fantastic.
Yeah.
That's good. Now, you've got other platforms on here as well, too, right? So I see that you have Zoom. I saw Webex as well, too.
Yep.
What is Mago Meet?
Mago Meet is yet another meeting platform.
Okay, is that really?
So Mago Meet is great for especially high security environments where they only want to talk to each other.
So we're talking about closed air gap kind of environment.
Yeah, we have an on-prem solution as well.
Got it. That's fantastic.
And so that on-prem solution, they can still use Teams and Zoom and all the other media platforms.
This is crazy. This is great. Now, this is the meeting experience.
Yep.
Why don't you share with me, can you show me anything about the present or the share there as well, too?
So it's probably better to go on that because this is a passive display and that's an interactive display.
Okay.
And so it looks way better to do the collaborate.
All right, let's see if we can go ahead and get over here in a second. Yeah, perfect. All right. So what is this experience over here we're talking about now?
All right. So we're going to go and show you a couple of experiences, right?
Here's the phrase you talked about before. Meet, present, collaborate.
So it's all here. And so present is the option that we provide customers to very quickly and easily share content, present content.
So we're talking about, I just in the room, I got to get something up on the screen, right?
Right. So you're not joining any meeting.
No.
You're just simply walked in the room and you want to present a presentation, whatever, a PowerPoint, a document, a spreadsheet.
Got it.
And so you have multiple options from the native casting solutions, like Windows K and Share, or if you're not on the same network,
right, which happens a lot with
all the time, you simply scan the QR code, or you go to magolink.com.
And that's a key to load it in.
And you just load, yes.
I love that. That is fantastic. This is actually a new interface, a new graphic you're telling me about as well, too. I love that as well. This is fantastic.
And Magolink, like I said, works on any device, Apple, Chrome OS, Windows 11.
That's fantastic.
Android. It just works.
And it's browser-based is what you want
to do?
Browser-based. That is so cool. That's great.
Yeah.
All right, do we have a chance to show me the last one, which is Collaborate?
And then the last one, of course, is Collaborate. And so this is basically a whiteboard on steroids.
Oh, really?
Yeah. And so all whiteboards, right, have the option to, did I select it? Yeah. Have the option to write.
Yeah.
Right? You can write, you can erase.
Yeah.
That's not new. What we're able to do is inject different solutions. So, for example, if people like airplanes or you're an engineer, right?
Yep.
You can get like a list of 3D objects. That 3D object is going to render here on the screen. And then you're able to actually manipulate this guy.
That's crazy. So that is wild.
Yeah. But then you can also make it spin around. So if you size it, you can spin this guy around all over, right?
This was, by the way, a little bit like my flight coming over here to get here. I flew out of Atlanta. You should have seen the weather traffic pattern there.
Yeah. And so in addition to having 3D objects, you can also inject videos. Let's see, do you guys have Collab Collective?
Yeah.
Is it Collab Collective?
I love this. This is unrehearsed. Let's hope this works well. We'll see what happens there.
Oh, accept all.
Oh, there we are.
There we go.
Let's actually here. Let's go up to one where I might find you and I on one here.
Yeah, we'll give Dave some airtime here. So now you can add that video to the board. You can also size it. Hey, go ahead.
No, let's go ahead. So and now it actually starts.
Yeah,
playing.
you can play it. Yeah.
So now we're playing this video embedded in next to this. Yeah. I'm working with this in a multi-directional idea.
Yep.
This is fantastic.
You can also insert websites and anything else. So it's very just robust.
Total steroids here.
Yes.
I love it. This is so cool. Hey, I appreciate you showing me. This is fantastic.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Stuff. Right. Hey,
you can save it too.
Oh, let's see.
You can save it or you can delete and leave. Yeah.
All right. Let's do this. I want to spend so much time here, but I'm going to come back to the Neat team and talk to them tomorrow.
Yep.
I think you and I need to go find Neil over at Logitech. You want to join me?
Oh, yeah.
That way?
Let's go find him.
All right, good. Let's get up this way. To go.